Okay, good afternoon guys. Today I'm gonna make corned beef bula-bula. Okay, so I have 385 grams of corned beef, and then 1 piece of carrots, and then 1 piece of bell pepper, white onions, garlic, and then spring onions, salt, black pepper, and then flour. We're gonna add the carrots, and then the garlic, all garlic, spring onions, bell pepper, and then white onions. Or an egg also, 1 piece of egg, and i-mix guys. Okay, na add black pepper, salt, because you know the corned beef murag salty na siya. Salt guys. Guys, so pwede ra dili na to isukod-sukod. Kung baligya, isukod yun na nimo para parehas ang yang gidak no na bana lang ni. Mm. 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 Okay, so mausan ang first batch guys. So this is our last batch for the corned beef bula-bula. Okay, mauna ni siya ang katapusan na akong beef fry guys. And our corned beef bula-bula is done. Okay, it's tasting time guys. Okay, this one. I'm gonna taste this one. Okay. Mm. 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 It's good, guys. Mm. Okay. Mm. This is our corned beef bula-bula. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bru_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.